Assalamu alaikum, beta. Today we're going to discuss further about adjectives. Yesterday we started adjectives and I told you about what are adjectives and how are they used attributively and predicatively. Today we're going to discuss about the classes of adjectives. There are many forms of adjectives, many classes of adjectives, and we're going to discuss each of them today. First class of adjective is adjectives of quality. Means adjectives uh, denote certain things. Adjectives may denote a quality of a certain thing, they may denote a number of certain thing, anything else, or quantity. So on the basis of that, the work they perform, the what they denote, they have been classified into different classes. So the first is the adjectives of quality. What is adjective of quality? They show the kind or quality of a person or thing. Adjectives of quality ऐसे मैं लिखूंगा यहाँ पर show the kind or quality of a thing. Person, place or a thing etc. जैसे आप nouns के बारे में quality of a noun. Okay, ऐसे that's they show the kind or quality of a noun. For example, yes, he is an honest man. He is an honest man. Okay, honest is the quality of that man. So here honest is an adjective, but it denotes, describes the man. It's also called a quality. Adjectives of quality are also called as uh, descriptive adjectives. So they describe something, a noun. So here the honest is an attribute, or it's the quality of a man. So honesty here is used as an adjective, but it describes the quality of that man. That's why honesty is a quality, adjective of quality. um, he's foolish. He is a foolish. Okay, he's a foolish man. He foolish is the quality of that man. Man is a noun, so it is an adjective quality. She's a beautiful girl. Okay, she's a beautiful girl. Here the beautiful word has been used to describe that girl. That means she looks very pretty, very attractive. That's why it beautiful word describes the quality of that girl. She may be ugly or she may be beautiful, but here in this case we're using the word beautiful for a girl. That means her external affairs is very attractive, she's of a fair color, etc. So that's why beautiful describes the quality of that girl. So these are called as the adjectives of quality. Honest, foolish, beautiful, because they point out and describe the quality of a noun. Okay, second is the category of adjectives, or the adjectives of quantity. They will show you how much a noun is. Show how much a noun, person, place, or something. Because we cannot say how much person, but certain things are major, they are not counted. That's why it will be used, this type of adjectives of quantity will be used for the things, for the nouns which are not countable, rather which are measurable. Okay, for example, i ate I ate some rice. I can't say I ate two rices, three rices, because rice is not something that can be counted. So here we use adjectives of quantity. Rice is a noun, and some rice denotes the quantity of the rice I ate. Okay. Okay. Example: he has little intelligence. Little intelligence. Okay. He has little intelligence. That means his intelligence is a noun, but little describes the quantity of intelligence he has. That means he has a very little intelligence. He's not very intelligent. Okay. Uh, I lost all my wealth. I lost all my wealth. All wealth. Okay. All wealth. All is quantity. That means I lost the wealth that which I had or that I have. So I lost all. All is the quantity of the wealth I lost. Okay, these are all some, little, all. Uh, we can use much, whole, sufficient. So these are all adjectives of quantity. That means they point out the quantity of something, of a noun. Third is the adjectives of adjectives of number, numeral adjectives. That means they will show you the number, shows the number of certain things or places, persons, or something like that. So here the adjectives of number, numeral adjectives will be used with the nouns that are countable, not measurable. For example, there were three boys. The hand, the hand has five fingers. Okay, here the five is the quantity, not the quantity, but the number of fingers I have. So five is used as an adjective, numeral adjective. Okay, there are no, most boys like cricket. Like cricket. Most means the greater number of boys like cricket compared to the number of boys which don't like cricket. So this is a number. Numeral adjective. Numeral adjective. So anything that can be counted, any noun that can be counted, which is countable, we can use a countable adjective to describe that noun. These are the adjectives of number or numeral adjectives, whatever we say. Then we have these numerals can be definite or they can be indefinite. For example, definite numerals. For example, 2, 3, 4. These are definite numerals, and indefinite numerals means we cannot exactly, these indefinite numerals, though they indicate the number, but they do not precisely tell you how many. For example, all, some, few. These are all few people, few persons were important. All people left the party. Some people stayed at home. So these indicate, though these all, some, they indicate this number of the people who did something, number of nouns, uh, but they do not precisely tell you how many. So they are indefinite numerals. Uh, Numerals can be numeral adjectives. One more classification of numeral adjectives is that they can be cardinal or ordinal. For example, cardinal: 1, 2, 3, 4. There are two types of numbers. There's cardinal and ordinal. Ordinal gives you the exact number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many? So there are how many? how many. When somebody tells you, asks you how many, you have to give the specific answer in cardinals, 1 2 3. Another is ordinal numeral. Ordinal numerals, they indicate the rank, they indicate the order of things, order or rank of something, rank of something. For example, we can say I stood first in the class. First is the order, first is the order. Fifth, fourth, last. So these are, they indicate the order or rank of a noun, so they are ordinal numbers. Now another is distributive, demonstrative. Demonstrative adjectives, they point out a certain noun, a person, place, or a thing which a noun refers. For example, this boy, these mangoes. Third, those rascals. So these are this, those mangoes, this, these, and those. These are the words which are used to point out something, demonstrate something. These are called demonstrate. They are used to point out something which a noun refers. So they are called, they're used to point out certain things which a noun refers. So they are called demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, those are all demonstrative adjectives when they are used with the nouns. Okay. Then we have another intra 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is 4 and 5. Interrogative nouns, adjectives, sorry. For example, which boy, what manner you did it, which boy was present, whose books are these, whose books are these. Okay, which, there, when there's a question, and which, what, and the whose, etc. are used in the question along with the nouns. They are called interrogative adjectives. For example, which boy is present, boy is a noun, and which is used to indicate which boy. So since the sentence is used to ask any question, so we can say which, what, and who are used as interrogative adjectives. Okay, then we have the emphasizing adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives, what are emphasizing? I saw him with my eyes. I saw him with my eyes. For example, I saw him with my eyes. But if I use the word along with the eyes, with my own eyes, so I saw, although the sentence without the own would suffice, it would serve the purpose. I saw something with my eyes. Okay, but what is the purpose of pointing my own eyes? That means it is used to put an emphasis on this noun. So that's why the un is used as an emphasizing adjective. Adjective. I did it myself with my own eyes. With my own eyes. Okay? And there are many more. Okay. Then we have the 7, that is called an exclamatory. Exclamatory adjectives. Used to We all know that exclamation is always used to express a certain kind of feeling, an emotion. So here, when exclamation words like what is used with a noun in an exclamatory sentence, it's an exclamatory adjective. For example, what a genius. Okay, what an idea. Somebody says you, oh, what an idea. What is an exclamation? Idea is a noun, or what is used to uh, sort of express an emotion or a feeling about the noun. That's why what is used as an exclamatory adjective. So this was all about adjectives today. I hope all of you understood better. Tomorrow we'll be meeting with another class with a new topic. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.